So I've gone and updated your conceptual framework for if you are in public practice to say you need to identify the threat to the fundamental principle or independence. You've got to consider part 3 and 4 together when you are doing in public practice. Okay, and if there's a section that covers both, like gifts, then you can address it in a group situation where you can say this is a self-interest threat to independence and objectivity. That's fine. But for the most part, you're going to be able to split it into a threat to a fundamental principle or independence, because often they don't cover exactly the same situations. Okay. Quick questions here. Let's do these together. What are the threats to the ethical principles? An audit partner will be calculating the tax for the audit client. Not allowed. Even if it is a non-public interest entity, it should be a person who's not on the audit. So ultimately what we've got here is a self-review threat to independence. Okay, audit manager has not completed any continued professional development as required by SACA. Continued professional development is your professional competence in due care. So we've got a self-interest threat to professional competence in due care. You have to if SACA says you must. And an audit clerk gave copies of information obtained on the audit of a client to his friends to assist in the APC board preparation. So you gave client confidential information, self-interest to confidentiality. Even though it's not for himself, it's for his friend, he's doing it, so self-interest threat. Okay.